Hi, my name's Roy. I'm an electrician here at Eastlight Community Homes, and today we're here to show you how to test your smoke alarms. For this, all you need is a solid pair of steps or something like a broom handle so that you can get up and get access to the smoke alarm. When testing the smoke alarms, we need to make sure that we have power to the units, and this can be confirmed by checking the green LED. Once we know we have power, it's just a simple case of testing the centre button. Some of our smoke detectors may differ slightly, but the process is still the same. Once we've held the test button for roughly 10 seconds, the alarm sounds, and if you hear any other alarm sounding on the property, that's perfectly normal. It just means the system's linked together. But we do have to test every alarm in the property individually to make sure they're all working. And if you don't have access to a set of steps, a broom handle or pole will do exactly the same job. For maintenance purposes, as long as you're able to, all we recommend is you hoover around the outside of the vents on the smoke alarm. If your property has carbon monoxide alarms, it's also a good idea to test these while testing your smoke alarms. Here we have two different types, but the procedure is the same with the test button on the front. And that's how you test your carbon monoxide alarms and your smoke alarms.